Hello, my friends on the internet. This is day 341 of me making an app to end doom scrolling. Yesterday, we actually had an all-time high and $404. That's how much the app made in a single day, which is insane because earlier this month alone, I was scared that I wouldn't make enough money, that we would just not be able to cover our costs and things would go downhill exponentially. But that was pretty much all in my head. It really was. Everything almost is. But most of what I was thinking about the app was actually just I was scared that people wouldn't use it, people wouldn't download it, and then turned out thousands of people downloaded it in a single day, which is insane. You probably don't care about that. You probably just here to be curious about what I'm building, and I'm gonna show you that. However, I've been making these videos for almost a year now, and most of them have been pretty similar. So I've been trying to mix it up lately. Basically, just say what's actually going on in the day and not just showcasing the app over and over again every single day doing the same thing because the app actually doesn't change that often from the day to day. I've been working on other things this week and making content mainly, so the actual app itself has not changed that much. Have my efforts towards it changed? They've increased, yeah, but the actual app, I have a lot of work to do. I have a lot of things I want to do, but time is limited, and well, you can't, as myself, it's just me making this. I can't do everything equally. So some weeks, this week, especially this month, I've been focusing more on content and actually getting the word out about the app. Now, really quickly, how does this work? Because you're sitting here and you've gotten a minute and 46 into the video and I haven't said a single thing about the app. Well, here's how it works. Basically, my whole philosophy with Curiosity Quench, the app right here, you can find a link down in the description, is that you don't need to block your screen time, limit it. These things can help, okay? I'm not saying they're useless. But if you block your screen time and you have nothing to do, well, what are you going to fall back to? Netflix or some other cheap form of dopamine, junk food, sugar, like a abundance of it? So, what are you going to fall back to? That is the question with this newfound time that you usually would spend scrolling. And the answer usually is that it's not something necessarily better. Maybe it is, okay? And it can be. I'm not saying it can't be, but a lot of the times we still don't have something better to do. And that's my point. My point is that what if you could find something better to do in the first place before you went and block, deleted, or set up time limits on these apps? And you can, because I made an app to help you do literally just that. It's the whole point of Curiosity Quench, to help you find better things to do with your time and do them. Now, how does this app work? Well, it works by giving you a list of 1,000 different things, and then you pick based on what you're interested in, okay? Don't pick something you're not interested in. It doesn't make any sense. Why would you want to do something you're not interested in? Pick something you're really interested in and then save it to your list. After you have one thing at least that you're really, really interested in doing or learning about, then come to your save tab because you've saved it and swipe right to actually start this. I have no idea what an Egyptian rat screw is. It's actually a card game. So we're going to go ahead and maybe we can play that with our friends and family and we can try that out. So it would then give us a plan on how to do that. Now that you have a plan, you're not going to be scrolling on your phone because you're actually trying to learn and this is something you're interested in. And you can click on the step text to actually do it. And as you can see here, there's videos to help you understand this, help you do it, and to take you through how to play Egyptian rat screw. So that is an example. You can mark off the steps as you go, or maybe after this point you've already fulfilled your purpose of using the app, okay? You know how to play the game and you want to go play it. So you close the app, you get off your phone, and you go ahead and do it. Yeah, I don't want you on your phone all day. If by step 2 you have an idea of what you want to do and you can go do it, put the app aside, stop checking off tasks and go do it. That's fine. The whole point of this app, again, is to get you to do things that you want to do more than you are scrolling on your phone. To find better things to do and do them. If that means you close the app, good. Okay, I know social media does not say that. Social media says you cannot close me, you will stay on me forever. That is how we make money. Curiosity Quench app I'm making is the opposite of that, okay? And that's the whole purpose. I've been trying to make it not addictive. I've been trying to make it lower stimulation so people feel okay to turn it off and go do the thing that they want to do. and set up reminders in the app to say, hey, life is ticking and it's going, and you only have so much time. So you should do the things you enjoy. And that's where we're at right now. That's what I've been doing. That's what I've been up to. This is day 341. We're quite literally 25 days away from a whole year of making these videos. And a lot can happen in a year, as it so shows. But 63,000 people have downloaded Curiosity Quench now. The app has been out since February on mobile devices. And yeah, I literally started working on the concept of this a year ago, in a month, about a year and about 13 months ago. And it started off so much different. It started off terribly. I didn't know how to code at all. And here we are. So yeah, thank you for watching. But go touch some grass now. Go do the things you actually enjoy and have a great day. I love you. Take care. You got this. Bye, my friend. See you later.